guys, welcome back to the Natural Learning Python course. Today, let's learn about the input function. So, what is input? You tell a user something and it asks for an answer. The answer is given as a string. So, we know we can do so many programs with what we've learned about loops and all the operations, data types, so many things, but we need to format them so they're a bit more user-friendly, so the user knows what certain variables are and what to change. So let's put all of this to some code. Okay, so I'm here in a Jupyter notebook. The input function. These make for a clean looking program now that we know how to make so many. So I'm just going to make a very simple program. We're going to do the sum of two numbers. A equals, and now we're going to say here input, and then you ask your question. What is the first number I will sum? B equals another input. What is the second number I will sum? And now we say sum equals, we will say both equals A plus B, print both. So now you can see it says, what is the first number I will sum? I'll put in 5. What is the second number I will sum? I'll put in 7. Wait, it says 57. Why? That's because, remember how I mentioned that the input's answer will come as a string? So we need to blatantly say that this is an integer or a floating point, but I'm going to make it an integer for this one. And now if we rerun this, it says what is the first number I will sum? 5. Oops. Run it. 5, 7, and it brings me 12. And you could see that was quite user-friendly, as I could type in the numbers, and instead of thinking A equals 5, B equals 7, print A plus B. How would I know which variables to change? It would be a bit more ugly. It would work, it'd still print 12, but this is a bit more clean. So, that's it for now. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow our Instagram. All the links will be down below. Thank you. Bye.